to reset photo settings on iPhone, here's what you need to know. Unlike some other settings, the iPhone doesn't have a dedicated option to reset only the Photos app settings. However, you can change or restore many of the Photos-related settings manually. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Photos. Here, you can adjust options such as iCloud Photos, Shared Library, optimize iPhone storage, download and keep originals, view full HDR, cellular data, autoplay motion, and other available settings, depending on your iPhone and iOS version. If you want to reset the Photos app's permission to access your photos, go back to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Photos, select the app, and choose the access level you'd like to allow. If you're trying to reset all Photos-related settings to their defaults, the closest option is to reset all iPhone settings by going to Settings. Tap on General, then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and choose Reset All Settings. Keep in mind, this resets system settings across your iPhone, but does not delete your photos or other personal data. And that's it. You've learned the available ways to reset and manage photo settings on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.